You slide the bearing on the shaft, and then you put the end cover on. Put those 3 bolts back in. Then don't forget to go on the underside and do the set screws on the bearing. Screws are right there on the bearing. You want to put your oil seal in and your collar on the side of the chain case that faces the engine. You put the chain case back in and put the 4 bolts back in. It's a little bit of work to get it to slide onto the shaft, but if you use a jack underneath and help center the shaft, it helps. And it's now you can put the brakes back on, the parking brake and the brake. Next step is to put the cover or put the gears inside. After the brake and parking brake are back on, you can put the gears and chain and tensioner back in, and then tighten the bolts down that hold them on. Take back down the chain, get it so it's hand tight, and then you put the stopper on. Put the chain case cover back on.